Hello. Okay. So today, goal Spanish time. So there's right now we got like this big old database for Japanese, and we got this song that we're trying to annotate with that big old database. Oh, I got a notification for my own stream. That's epic. All right. Uh, so the goal is that we're gonna annotate Canción Bonita, Spanish song. It's got some like different stuff, so we can make sure that the base library here is compatible with multiple languages. I know it's gonna still be weird with like languages that kind of hardly use letters, like Arabic, I think. It's got like the images like they go into each other, and I think they're like mostly like it's got a bunch of, what is it called? And they do have an alphabet apparently, but like the characters, they mix, they like touch each other. I forget what that's called. Digraph? No. Maybe. No. I don't remember. Oh, ligatures. I'm not sure that's actually the term still, but that's I've seen that term, so I'm gonna pretend that I know what it is. So I got y'all listening to lo-fi hip hop again, because like obviously let's say hope it's still royalty free, right? It doesn't actually say it's royalty free. I thought it was. So I've just been playing this. Well, I hope it's royalty free. Whoops. Okay. It's like just like a bunch of sounds, right? And what are they really gonna do? Take down my YouTube channel? Oh well, it's like I got like 35 subscribers on here. Like it's okay if they take it down, right? Yeah. Okay. So anyway, you're listening to lo-fi hip hop, because if I play Canción Bonita, I'm definitely going to get copy strike or whatever it's called. Yeah, a copyright strike. When did it become a verb in my brain? I don't know. Oh, that's a lot of views. It's crazy. Oh, that's a good song though. So I got the lyrics here. So we gotta start annotating this. So let's create a new file for that. And for now, the databases are going to be separate. But theoretically, you should be able to link between them. But for now, they're just going to be completely separate. Well, yeah. I can merge them by just getting rid of something. By just incrementing all the term numbers, yeah. Because I don't think we're going to be repeating anything. So, build out the sentences first. So, first sentence is, I have so many songs in notebook. Fun. Tango. Yeah, that's what it says. Alright. then I don't think I've been using periods like this whole time, so I don't use periods now. And this is gonna be a bunch of stuff, so yeah. And so I think how we're gonna break this down is we got I have in a book or in a notebook, and then a notebook, and then tantas canciones. So and I should just be clean. For now, I'm not really sure what grammar terms I'm gonna throw in there, but I'll figure that out. Right now, I have this built out is that there are no spaces because Japanese doesn't have spaces, but languages like Spanish do. So I'm gonna have to figure that out. I have like sleep in my arms, so I'm not. Why do I have a notification? Oh, it's just good. I don't need to. My phone's going off. I don't need to care about it right now. Really? That was something important. I don't remember. Okay. Anyway, meaning. So I have then this is going to be like this is just going to be a this is just going to it's going to be tango. So I'll have to figure that out. So first, you have to figure out how we want to handle the alphabet, because yeah, there's an alphabet and it's annoying. Because letters are not syllables like they are in Japanese. Japanese is kind of like barely still. So it's kind of hard. Like I don't really want them like because it's not loading the new stuff right now. I select key and it's gonna show like how it's pronounced, key. But how do I like if I select T, then am I really going to say like do I really want a T down here? Because it's not going to be any different. It'd be nice if I could have like an audio thing down there. But even then, like the letters don't actually represent sounds. Like this, not in English, they represent sounds a little bit more in Spanish. Though like still there's like grouping of letters that make new sounds. I think. I'm not very good at Spanish. Yeah, because you got like nombre. Like that's 2 syllables and 6 letters. Like And there's no way I'm gonna be doing the thing where you like... anyway. I could just have like raw spaces. And just raw letters. Though, like, if say you're coming from Japanese, you still want to be able to memorize the Latin letters and how they look. So maybe I do like a similar thing for the logographs, where it's just a display. That makes sense, I think. Yeah. Could I just call it a logograph? No, shouldn't. Well, what is the definition of it? I was hoping that this page would say, like, it's just Latin script. What is it? Known as an alphabetic writing system. Okay, fine. But I like what I plan to add to the logographs is kind of like a, well, logographs represent like a meaning and less of a sound, though they do also represent a sound. Oh crap. But you wouldn't say like the letter A represents any kind of meaning. Well, in Spanish it kind of does, because end of the syllable or word it's like female or whatever. Even though like the female male stuff doesn't really mean anything either, so. Oh. So, Wikipedia does make a separation between syllabary and logographic systems. What are all the writing systems? Text. Okay. Logosyllabary, syllabary, abjaha. What? Oh, is it like the kind of thing where you only write the consonants? Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. So Arabic does that? Chads. That's awesome. Featural, distinctive feature of segment. The shapes of the syllables. Korean Hangul. Oh yeah, that's cool. So this is an alphabet, essentially. So we're just gonna call them alphabet characters. That's the plan. Alphabet character. And then that way we could still have like a page that explains other stuff about them. And I think we're gonna, like, we don't want to duplicate it for, we don't want to duplicate the alphabet characters for like different languages that use the Latin script. So I think the idea is going to be, like, though Spanish has like the NEA, which is kind of special, I guess. And there's also they have some diacritics with the accented vowels and such. But might not be too essential. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just kind of saying words. It's definitely essential. Term data, we're gonna have alphabet character. This is gonna be a term alphabet character. Why can't I capitalize data? Okay. And for now, really only needs a display. So, yeah, it's good. And I'm surprised that this doesn't freak out. Really not freaking out? Really? You should. Oh well. And I should set this up so that it's actually taking. Just I want to copy these lines and then kind of build it out. So this is Bonita. I spelled that wrong. Spanish. Then that should run, and then it should crash on runtime because this is not formatted correctly. Yeah, this isn't formatted correctly. It doesn't have the term ID. Expected struct. Oh well, don't know why. Title. And then I'm just gonna do all of them, and then I should have the Spanish alphabet. So basically all the letters in English plus NEA. Alphabet character. And it's display. It's just A. Okay. Now, okay. I am going to duplicate this up to 10. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just so that I can do this. And now I duplicate it up to 20. So we're at 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And English is 26, so this should be 27. So we got 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Alright. And it's kind of annoying. I gotta change it in 2 spots. But well. Okay. I'm doing this wrong, aren't I? Right. Did I start at 1 or 0? I started at 1. Oh. Normally I wouldn't care, or I don't really have to care, because it's a hash map and not a vec, so like I don't really have to be ordered like this, but I feel like I should. Why? You just don't want to. I don't want to artificially limit it, even though the artificial limit is like somewhere in the millions. And hopefully there aren't going to be millions of terms. There really shouldn't be. There aren't millions of words, so can't be millions of terms. Okay. Now if I could, then I'm gonna replace the. I'm gonna replace the C. I'm not sure if this is easier or not. And yeah, I could make a program to like automatically generate this, but I don't. It's kind of easier just to do it. I did this with all the Japanese characters, and this is like not even close to how many there are. Oh wait, now we need that NEA. Oh. Okay. That worked perfectly. Awesome. I'm a genius. Oh, it's not gonna work perfectly twice. Okay. Now we have to do all the lowercase ones. I don't think that's a function. Oh well. So 27, 28, 29, 30. So we can have that. And then this is gonna, so 26 plus 27 is 43. We're gonna go into the 40s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 41, 42, 43. Alright. I'm gonna change all the numbers. Oh, whoops. Name few. Okay. And then actually, skip the first time. Now we're down to A. It's a very simple process. I have to talk on doing it. We'll figure it out. Oops, there should be. I don't know how I. Is it missing like 10, aren't I? Because 26 plus 27 is 53, not 43. Yeah. Whoops. I don't know why that didn't change. Okay. What's that? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Replace with R. T. A. W. X. Z. Then we have an extra one for some reason. Really. I'm just gonna check out all of them. Oh. How do I do that? That was wishful thinking somehow. Okay. Let's start at the lowercase. So we go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, A, O, P, Q. Ah, shit. Q. Okay. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And then it can go away. Alright. Now, we need to create a definition. So this is bingo. And yeah, I guess we'll do the I shouldn't have to make a new writing term every time the capitalization changes. That's just ridiculous. But I'm not sure. Okay. I'm not sure how I could change that limitation. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Because then you're gonna have, like, for a 6-letter word, you have This just looks good too. And 2 to the 6. I think it's 2 to the 6. Like binary. Yeah. 2 to 6 different possibilities for all of its capitalizations, which is a lot. Like, as even, especially as you go up bigger, like 8, you got 256 different capitalizations. And you're gonna hit a bunch of different capitalizations. You don't want to fill up the whole database with that. Maybe there's like a writing term mask. I started playing my own music. Oh, it's really loud. That would make sense. It's still kind of messy because then, like, every time you write a different capitalization, you gotta write a whole new word, or like you have to write it all into the document, which is kind of annoying and probably takes up even more data. But then it doesn't flood the database. The database is accessed more. For now, we could just have it all be lowercase. Could just put a... Well, that's not like dynamic. Oh, annoying. I haven't really figured what I want to do with the space. I could just make it a functional character. But it has no... Like, if I select the space, I don't really need to know... I don't need it to tell me what it does. Because I should be so used to what it does that, like, if I didn't know what the space did, I wouldn't be able to read at all. So, but then if you're, again, if you're coming from something like Chinese or Japanese, then you might want like an introduction to the space. So like then it would be a term, because then you train your recognition of a space for like a few minutes maybe. So I could and I do want this to be kind of verbose. That's why I'm trying to build this annotation system, because the idea of the annotation system is that you could pull up like the lyrics of, you could pull up a document, you could read it, and then it would go to your like SRS data, or yeah, and it would say like, well, you've already practiced this today, so you don't need to practice it again, which would be nice. And I'm hoping to be able to do that for like shows and stuff, so that like even if you like don't watch the show through the program itself, because you know, copyright and stuff, you could mark like, I've watched this show, and then you wouldn't need to practice terms that are already in it for the day or whatever. It tries to incentivize immersion more rather than just rote memorization like Anki. And Duolingo, where it gives you the same shit back to back over and over again, and you still don't like train it because it gives you the answer. I have to create a grammar term because this is part of speech kind of thing. I think that's... Oh wait, first person. Singular. I want to look up another Spanish dict, and I hate that website because it's slow as hell. So, I hope... But it's gotta have good conjugation, like sheet. Doesn't seem to have any conjugation at all. That's unfortunate. Okay, different one. What? Okay. I mean, oh yeah, there is first person plural. This is actress. Not like, there's so many sources for stuff on Spanish, and it just gets kind of messy. What is this? I'm just it's too much information. What? Okay, this sounds like what I want. It does not explain the plurality, but oh well, whatever. It's good enough. Yeah, for now, it's just gonna be a thing. I'm just gonna use all the lowercase. Oh wait, I need the definition. Definition. Part of speech, and then doesn't need any. What is that? And yeah, it is kind of. It's kind of ridiculous. So we got 31, 40, 33, 31, 30, 43. Okay. And then we have the definition. 55. Medida. Yeah, 50. Wait, no. Now this is 56. Now this should open. Does not. Missing field markup. 51. Go. Oh. Yeah. Was. Oh. Oh, I spelled it wrong though first. It's crazy. Okay, so functional character. Oh, yeah. So writing. Now, yeah. Alphabet character. And it's going to be basically this. Right? And that should just work. Nope. Field definition. Oh. Look at that. Alright. That's only like less than half of it. How to figure out the capitalization. Do I do the writing mask? Well, okay, so the issue is that it is maybe it's just a capitalization mask. Because it is a different character. So it does look different. So you do need to train it kind of differently. You just need to be able to recognize the capitalized character, which the writing mask would do. So, but a capitalization mask may be able to do more directly. But maybe like different alphabet scripts don't have that concept. Does the Arabic alphabet have capitalization? No. So you can't make like an alphabet writing class, something like that. Well, okay, on oh, never mind. So maybe like on the alphabet character term, there's a property that says like what its alternative case is. And then it doesn't really solve the problem though. Like, I, as an English native, have no trouble reading when the case is all mixed up. But I'm sure that if you're just learning the Latin alphabet, then it's a little bit weird. Because I don't think capital letters aren't as common to read. So I'm tempted to have like an alphabet pair term, so that the writing, like, you don't have to come up with like a standard way of making the writing terms. Like, all the writing terms for Spanish are lowercase. You can just have it so that all the writing terms are. But then you need to duplicate the data. Though maybe you could just have you have the characters, and then you also have pair terms. That's a lot of terms though. It's so complicated. Oh, there's still water in there. I'm scrolling through Twitter a little bit. Now I'm done. I'm caught up. Great. So path 1, writing mask. Path 2, a different writing for each capitalization. Path 3, don't know, capitalization mask. It's even more messy because, like, if I change the underlying writing and then like the length changes, then you don't really, it gets all messed up. I'm leaning towards having a different writing for each capitalization. And I know it's, but then you have to train each capitalization. That's, no, that's ridiculous. You don't have to train each capitalization, but no. It would just, but the writing mask is messy. It kind of defeats the whole point of having the writings there in the first place. The capitalization mask is less messy in terms of like integrity. Option 4 is capitalization mask and have the alphabet pairs. Alphabet character pair. I think alphabet pairs make the most sense. But then calling a writing term, I'm gonna have to add another field. And it's gonna be messy. Apparently there's toxic compounds in drinking water that have been found to be worse than previously known. I was just drinking water. Damn. Stain and what else? I don't know what PFAs are. Wait. Per and polyfluoroalkyl substances. Damn. Per and polyfluoroalkyl. For fluoroalkyl. That's whack. Okay. So do we do alphabet pair? Alphabet pair, and then we get another property onto a writing thing that has the mask. Or has a capitalization mask. That shouldn't be an option either. Because it's just going to be an array. Crap. So I'm going to have to add that in to the other database. Okay. Should it always... Should it really be like an alphabet set? In case there's a alphabet out there that has a bunch of options for equivalent characters, which would be dumb, but oh well. Capital letters are kind of dumb too, I guess. Oh, I'm so tired. Why? I slept like 10 hours. So how it would be is that you got like A/A, and data would be alphabet character set. And then this would be 0, and I think this is 27. So dumb. Okay. But you're not, I guess, okay, you are memorizing that the letters are related. Yeah. All right. I just don't don't like it. I don't like how I'm gonna have to write it into this structure. I have to go for now. So I'm just gonna count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I don't know why I did that. We're gonna do the numbers first. I like doing the numbers first. Left or right. And just make sure it's in 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay. Get you to do like that. Oh crap, I forgot one. I'll just go through it. Okay. And then let's get rid of this. Now we got all the other numbers. That's good. Okay. Yep, okay. Get set. What? Oh. That seems to work. Okay. Expected map end. Is it really just comma? No, shit. Gotta be something wrong. It's 52. Oh, it's on 52. On 52 is this. Oh, this thing. Ah, shit. Comment this out quick. Okay, that's a different error. Something wrong with how I did this. Oh, wait. There. Like a turn data. Oh. Okay, so it's somewhere in what I just uncommented. Missing comma right here. Yep, okay, here we go. Okay. '81, '82, '80, So theoretically, I should be able to add 27 to this number and get the right one. So, I'm gonna try it. So this is 74. This is 58. 67. 60. And 69. Oh, there's a missing comma. Yeah. I kind of wanted the writing. Never mind. It's okay. I'll get over it. It would be nice if I could reuse top one. Okay. String. Okay. That works. Then now, well, it's going to default to the first one. Option. Wait, what is this one about? Okay, there we go. Okay. And this should just say tango 5 or 75. Or 75. Oh. Yeah. So now it's at 83. Yeah, I did the capitalized one first. Yeah, of course it would, because that's how I put it. Crap. I wanted it to be backwards. I wanted it to... because of how I titled these. Oh, come on. What is more simple? Switching these? Does that look right? No, because the lowercase is more common. Okay. 8, 1, 29, 33, 4. This is work a human should not have to do. Okay. This might be really stupid, but I'm gonna go for it. Okay. I need to switch to mode. Edit. Switch the numbers. Come on, man. I believe in you. No fucking way. AI, man. Holy shit. I'm so impressed right now. Software formatting? It didn't touch anything it shouldn't have? That's awesome. I'm sorry, I'm just my mind. Very proud. Okay. Cool. Wait, do I have to attribute them? Oh, that's probably fine. Okay. Sure. So, what I imagine is that we get a set mask, and then this is kind of like a map. And so 0 is going to go to 1. All right, that works. And then I guess it can just be assumed otherwise. Yeah, it just goes from usize to usize. Oh. Do it then. Wait. I'm putting that on the wrong thing. I want this on here. No. Where? Sentence markup, writing term. Sentence markup, writing. Yeah. Right. Okay. Okay, I guess I should add it here too. Even though it shouldn't really have one. But, yeah. Guess it can be an option. Okay. And then I need to enumerate this. Okay, I need to enumerate. It should be setMask.get I dot unwrap or zero. I guess it's the and zero. This is and what this is. Be referenced. Okay. There we go. Look at that. That's great. Very proud. Oh, Jesus. And I think I'm just gonna make space a functional character. Like, no. Maybe I make it just an alphabet character. Space in alphabet. I mean, it's not. What is a space? Character. It's like white space. This calls it punctuation. So the reason I don't want to make it a functional character is because in the hierarchy of the annotations, it is really big, and it does not have. It doesn't need to be annotated. Maybe it should be. I could make it so that like it's not annotated by default. Like don't annotate punctuation and such. Or you could like click it and say like don't annotate. Sure. I think that's how I'm gonna handle it. No, but I want to edit right after this stuff instead of putting it after, because it's part of like the kind of Latin script that I might move later. Okay, function. And then explanation. Okay, under the comma, and then this is now 84. Okay. But then fine. Oh shit. I do have to make a writing for it. Fine. Oh, should this be? No. I'm gonna need a definition for it. Too. How did I handle the comma? It's a function. It's just a functional character. And then over here, yeah, I just made a writing in there. Okay, fine. I guess that's what I'll have to do. It's annoying to write, but mask. Yeah. Wow. Look at how pointless that is. I can't even select it. Because it doesn't have any character marks. That's kind of suck. Okay, well. Let's go to the editor. Spanish did this better. Ah, well. Really? It's an article, right? Alright, I'm gonna get out of our speech. Should I make a... Nah, just have this different article. Okay. Gosh. 54. 75. 75, 67, 54. Okay, now expected integer. Where did you expect an integer? Oh. Using field set ask. Yeah. I expect a turn data variant, which saw that. What's 54? Okay, what's 437? Ah, crap. Twenty-eight, 21. Oh. What? This alphabet character set, I don't understand. So this is interpreting the writing component. So there should be it's annotated as alphabet character set. And that's what it's sending it, right? Yes. Was it only for 775? How is that possible? It's gonna add data. Oh, okay, I guess it just wasn't saving properly. That's really annoying. Yeah. That's annoying. What is tatas? It's a adverb. I want it to be as intuitive. Yeah. So 88. Spanish. Full adjective. Is it really? It's not really an adjective, is it? Not those two. Adjective. Yeah, okay. Makes that simple. Is that so weird? Okay, there we go. What is this? Part of speech. E. And connect links. Or yeah, links are just this. Oh. 3, 4, 5, 6. 74. S 67 and 73. And definition is 90. Oh, I forgot to do notebook. Alright, whatever. Nice. Okay. Annotation. Grammar for this, 89. Okay. So, canciones. Is it really not? Definitely. I didn't like that cookie pop up. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Okay. Now, title. Let's be honest. Okay. Okay. Four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That would have been 512 different capitalizations. Oh, why did I not do this? Right. Okay. $56. A and C. And A is 54. And then 67. I is 62. O is 69. E is 58. 73. Okay. Go down 94. Shit. Missing field set mask. God, I hate that. Luckily, once there's an editor, I won't have to worry about writing that every time. Missing field explanation links. Oops. Expected map colon. 637. Oh. Oh shit. Oh, something's wrong there. 74. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, that looks. See. Oh crap. Yeah. Okay. And it's prepositions. So I'm gonna add that. Yeah. What am I doing? Okay, 96. Sample. 58, 67. Division 95. This is 96. Missing field immediate terms are what? What the hell? Oh. I thought it was a spam call again. This gotta be from Twitter follower. Let's go. Oh, that's what's wrong. Right, 96. Put 96. Oh. Perfect. Did I not make it a writing term? That's a writing term. That's annoying. Oh. Something's definitely wrong. this one, right? At some point I'm going to comment out the whole thing. I did comment out the whole thing. Still more. Okay, something's wrong in here then. You? Yeah. Yeah, it could be you. Must be you. Yeah. 94. Oh yeah, it's 90. Oh. Why is... an extra space here? Can't really detect it. Libreta. That's the next goal. Need the libreta. Okay. Need it. Running. Already have. Okay. Data. Grammar. Short explanation. Feminine. Plural. Singular. Noun. Shouldn't get more complicated than that. And now explanation links. Just copy this one. $9.99. Libreta. Notebook. Just make sure that's actually what libreta means, and it's not just funding. Notebook. Finance. Okay. Notebook. And out of speech. It's 98. Now, reference links. Here you go. All the way to 100. B-R-E-T-A. $65. 62. Okay. 55. 72. 58. 55, 72, 58. And 74 and 54. Okay. Oops. Look at that. Incredible. Look at all the spaces hogging up the... Oh, God damn it. Oh, yeah. It's hard to select that kind of stuff. Oh, shit. That's one sentence, and it only took 2 hours and 30 minutes. Wow. Anyway. It's okay. It's okay. Ugh.